Let me ask you something. Why does your skin look fine in the morning, but by evening it feels dry, tight, and tired? Why do wrinkles seem deeper at night, even when you use good creams? Why do some women in their 60s and 70s still have soft, glowing skin, while others feel like their face is thinning every year? Here's the truth most brands won't tell you. Your skin does most of its repair at night, not during the day, not when you're wearing makeup, not when you're outside, at night. And if your skin doesn't get the right support at night, collagen keeps breaking down quietly, no matter how expensive your products are. So today I'm going to show you a simple night blend using olive oil that helps your skin repair itself while you sleep. No injections, no harsh chemicals, no complicated routines. If you care about aging gently and naturally, like this video right now and stay with me. This could change how your skin looks in the next few months. Let me ask you something. Have you ever noticed that your skin looks fine in the morning, but by evening it feels dry, tight, and tired? You look in the mirror at night, and suddenly the lines look deeper. The shadows look darker. Your face looks older than it did just hours before. And you wonder, what happened today? I didn't do anything wrong. I used my cream. I washed my face. So why does my skin still look exhausted? Now let me ask you something else. Why do some women in their 60s and 70s still have soft, glowing, comfortable skin, while others start feeling like their face is thinning and shrinking in their 40s? Why do some women age gently, and others feel like their skin is racing against them? Here is the truth most beauty companies will never explain clearly. Your skin does most of its healing, rebuilding, and repair at night, not during the day, not when you're wearing makeup, not when you're running errands, not when you're under the sun. At night, while you sleep. That is when your body sends nutrients to your skin. That is when collagen is rebuilt. That is when damaged cells are replaced. That is when moisture balance is restored. But only if your skin has what it needs. After the age of 45 or 50, something important changes. Your body produces less estrogen. Your oil glands become weaker. Your skin barrier becomes thinner. Your natural moisture drops. Your collagen production slows down. So even if you're doing everything right, your skin is working with fewer tools. That's why dryness appears faster. That's why wrinkles settle deeper. That's why sagging becomes easier. That's why dark circles become harder to fade. And the most dangerous part is this. You don't feel it happening day by day. It happens quietly, slowly. One year you feel fine. Next year you look in the mirror and think, when did this happen? That is silent collagen loss. That is nighttime dehydration. That is poor skin repair. And most women are never taught this. Instead, they are sold more products, more bottles, more promises, more expensive routines, cream after cream, serum after serum, mask after mask. And yet, nothing lasts. Your skin feels soft for 2 hours, then it goes back to dry. It looks smooth in the morning, then tired again at night. That's why so many women say, I've tried everything. Nothing works long term. My skin just won't improve anymore. If that sounds like you, listen carefully. It is not because your skin is weak. It is not because you are doing something wrong. It is because most skincare is designed for daytime marketing, not for nighttime healing. Most products are made to absorb fast, smell nice, feel light, look good on shelves. They are designed to impress you in 5 minutes, not to support your skin for 8 hours of sleep. At night, your skin is like dry soil. If you pour water on dry soil, it disappears. It evaporates. It runs off. It does nothing. That is what water-based creams do. They sit on top, then vanish. But if you give dry soil oil and nutrients, it holds moisture. It becomes soft. It becomes healthy again. Mature skin works the same way. At night, it needs fats. It needs antioxidants. It needs barrier support. It needs long-lasting nourishment. Not foam, not alcohol, not fillers, not silicone. That is where olive oil comes in. Real, extra virgin olive oil. Not the cheap refined kind. Not the scented cosmetic version. Real olive oil contains natural compounds that your skin recognizes. vitamin E for repair, polyphenol for protection, oleic acid for softness, anti-inflammatory agents to calm irritation, natural lipids that strengthen your skin barrier. It doesn't fight your skin. It works with your skin. It helps seal in moisture. It protects collagen. It reduces nighttime water loss. It supports cell renewal. That is why women with mature skin respond so well to it. But here is the key. Olive oil alone is not enough. Used the wrong way, it can feel heavy. It can clog pores. It can sit on top. Used the right way, mixed correctly, and applied properly, it becomes a nighttime repair system. A simple routine that works while you sleep. Not by forcing your skin, but by helping it do what it was designed to do. And once you understand this, you stop chasing products. You start building results. Now that you understand why nighttime repair matters, let's talk about how to actually do this the right way. Because the method matters just as much as the ingredient. Using olive oil carelessly will not give you results. Using it strategically will. This is the simple night blend that supports collagen, smooths fine lines, and helps your skin recover while you sleep. You only need 3 ingredients. Nothing expensive, nothing complicated, nothing trendy. First, extra virgin olive oil. This is your base. It provides deep nourishment. It seals in moisture. It protects your skin barrier. It prevents overnight dehydration. Look for cold-pressed, unrefined olive oil. If you can eat it, you can use it. Second, vitamin E oil. This is your repair booster. Vitamin E supports cell renewal. It helps reduce oxidative damage. It strengthens weak skin. It improves elasticity over time. It also helps olive oil last longer on the skin without breaking down. Third, aloe vera gel. This is your hydration bridge. Many women skip this step, and that is why their skin feels greasy instead of healthy. Aloe provides water. Olive oil seals it in. Together, they create balance. Hydration plus protection. Not oil sitting on dry skin. You can use fresh aloe from a plant or pure store-bought gel with no alcohol. Now here is the exact blend. 1 teaspoon olive oil. Half teaspoon aloe vera gel. 3 drops vitamin E oil. Mix it in a small, clean bowl. Stir until it becomes smooth and slightly creamy. This is your nighttime collagen support blend. Make a small amount. Do not store large batches. Fresh works best. Now let's talk about how to apply it, because this is where most people fail. Step 1. Clean your face gently. No harsh soap. No scrubbing. No hot water. Use lukewarm water and a mild cleanser. Pat dry. Do not rub. Step 2. Apply on slightly damp skin. This is important. If your skin is completely dry, the oil seals in nothing. Slight moisture helps lock hydration inside. Step 3. Use very little. Dip your fingertip. Warm it between your hands. Press gently onto your face. Do not smear. Do not drag. Press and pat. Focus on cheeks, smile lines, jawline, under eyes, neck, forehead, anywhere that feels thin or dry. Your skin should feel comfortable, not slippery, not greasy, just soft. Step 4. Let it absorb. Give it 5 minutes before lying down. Let your skin drink it in. Now, what should you expect? Let's be realistic. No miracle overnight. No instant erasing. No filters. But here is what most women notice. After 3 to 5 nights, skin feels calmer, less tightness, less itching, less dryness, more comfort. After 2 weeks, texture improves. Makeup sits better. Lines look softer. Skin feels thicker and stronger. After 4 to 6 weeks, better elasticity, more glow, less crepey appearance, healthier tone, more resilience. That is real change. That is collagen support. That is barrier repair. That is skin learning how to protect itself again. But only if you avoid the common mistakes. Do not use too much. More does not mean better. It means clogged pores. Do not apply on dirty skin. You will trap bacteria. Do not use during the day. Oil plus sun equals damage. Do not mix with harsh acids. They cancel each other out. Do not skip nights. Consistency matters more than perfection. 3 to 5 nights per week is enough. Now let's talk about synergy. Why this blend works better than single products. Aloe brings water. Olive oil seals it. Vitamin E repairs damage. Together they reduce inflammation, protect collagen, improve moisture retention, support overnight regeneration. This is not random. It is a system. That is why results compound. Week by week, month by month, your skin becomes more stable, more balanced, less reactive, less fragile, and finally mindset. This routine is not about chasing youth. It is about protecting what you have. It is about respecting your skin. It is about choosing care over panic. You are not behind. You are not late. You are not failing. You are learning how to support your body instead of fighting it. And when you do that, your skin responds. Now, there is something very important I need to say. This night blend works best when your lifestyle supports it. Skincare is not magic. It is teamwork. What you put on your face matters, but what you do every day matters just as much. Let's start with water. When your body is dehydrated, your skin shows it first. Fine lines deepen. Elasticity drops. Healing slows down. Aim to drink water consistently throughout the day. Not all at once. Little by little. Next is sleep. Your skin repairs itself while you sleep. This is when collagen is rebuilt. This is when inflammation goes down. This is when cells regenerate. Less than 6 hours regularly weakens this process. 7 to 8 hours protects it. Think of sleep as your free night serum. Now let's talk about healthy fats. Your skin needs fats to stay flexible. Dry, brittle skin wrinkles faster. Include foods like olive oil, avocado, nuts, seeds, fatty fish. These feed your skin from the inside. They make topical oils work better. Next is sun protection. Sun damage is the fastest way to destroy collagen. Even when it is cloudy, even when you are just outside briefly, wearing sunscreen protects everything you are working for. Without it, progress disappears. Now sugar. Excess sugar damages collagen through a process called glycation. It makes fibers stiff and weak. This is why high sugar diets age skin faster. You do not need perfection, just awareness. Less sugar means stronger skin. Finally, stress. Chronic stress raises cortisol. Cortisol breaks down collagen. It increases inflammation. It slows healing. Deep breathing, walking, prayer, quiet time, laughter, rest. All of this protects your skin more than you realize. So remember this. Your routine is not just what you apply at night. It is how you live during the day. Now, I want to speak to you from the heart for a moment. Wrinkles are not signs of failure. They are proof of life. They mean you smiled. They mean you loved. They mean you worried about others. They mean you kept going. You survived seasons that were not easy. You carried families. You worked. You sacrificed. You endured. Your face tells that story. And that story deserves respect. But wanting healthy skin does not mean you reject your age. It means you honor yourself. It means you care for your body. It means you choose softness over neglect. There is nothing shallow about that. There is nothing selfish about that. Self-care is self-respect. At any age, you deserve to feel comfortable in your own skin. You deserve to look in the mirror and feel peace. Not disappointment, not pressure, not shame, peace. And that is what this routine supports. Not perfection, balance, stability, confidence. So if you have been feeling stuck, if you feel like nothing works anymore, if you feel like your skin changed and no one explained why, try this. Give it 8 weeks, not 8 days, not 3 nights, 8 weeks. Be patient, be consistent, be gentle. Let your skin learn how to heal again, and watch what happens. If you are ready to age naturally and confidently, if you want real routines without extremes, subscribe right now. This channel is for women who want results without hurting themselves to get them. And before you go, leave me a comment. Have you ever used olive oil on your skin before? Did it help you? Did it disappoint you? Your experience matters. Your story helps another woman who is watching quietly. Thank you for spending this time with me. Thank you for trusting me. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.